How to make a phone call in English. Introduction. Today we'll learn how to make a phone call in English. Many learners feel nervous because they cannot see the other person. But don't worry, if you know the right phrases, you'll sound confident and polite. Essential phrases for phone calls. Starting a call. Hello, this is Jenny. Good morning, may I speak to Matt please? Could I talk to the manager, please? If you're receiving a call. Hello, who's calling please? Yes, speaking. Just a moment, I'll connect you. During the call. I'm calling about. Could you please repeat that? Can you speak a little slower, please? Ending the call. Thank you for your time. I'll talk to you soon. Goodbye, have a nice day. Common mistakes learners make. Saying only hello and then staying silent. Forgetting to introduce themselves. Speaking too fast or too softly. Ending the call suddenly without a closing line.
Hello, good afternoon. This is Ramesh speaking. May I speak to Dr. Sharma's office, please?
Yes, this is the doctor's office. How may I help you?
I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Sharma.
Sure. When would you like to come?
Tomorrow morning, if possible.
Sorry, the doctor is busy tomorrow morning. How about Friday afternoon?
Yes, Friday afternoon works. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. See you then. Goodbye.
Goodbye.